Okay, this is video number 2, walking down Zaragoza in Chapala, Mexico in the rain. I'm doing this in 2 parts. I was going to do it in 1 part, but I'm doing it in 2. Chapala, Mexico on Zaragoza on a rainy day on February 16th. And right across the street here, I'll show you something. Here's the pharmacy right here. Now this is where you get your free medical supplies here in Mexico. You have to belong to a certain outfit, and if you need medical supplies, you can get them free there, a lot of them. Now they don't have everything, and they don't always have everything. But sometimes they do. They have this in different cities, not only here. Another little convenience store, mom and pop. Now those are the places to buy stuff in. They're a little bit cheaper, and you're helping a family out. This is the second video I've done today. Some of the places aren't open today. This bazaar isn't open, and it's always open. Just because it's a rainy day. Now here comes another police vehicle. I did a police vehicle in my last video, and here's another one. See, regular patrols. I got video and vehicle mixed up. Trying to think of too many things at once. Just beautiful right here. Zaragoza, you drive north on it. It's a one-way street going from the lake to the northern part of Chapala. It's not raining awful hard right now. It's kind of slacking off. But still, still dripping off the roofs quite a bit. It was raining pretty hard, but not real hard. Just a moderate rain. We're getting towards Chapala Central. This street here goes to the plaza to the right. That's a laundromat right there, a place you can get your clothes washed. I got some girls walking behind me that are laughing. They're school kids. Yeah. Young giggling girls. I'm surprised I haven't been splashed yet, but I haven't. The traffic's not driving too fast. I'm not quite going to the lake when I turn, and I will probably cut this off about then, or I'll turn kind of to the east and go up that street off of Zaragoza. Yeah, it's raining harder right now. It was starting to slack off, but now it's coming down again. Okay, this street's awful busy. This street comes from the central part at the stoplight, coming from west of town, Ahihik. Just a beautiful walk in the rain. And I'm not getting wet under my umbrella. Maybe a few drops on me. Not that I'm soaking wet. People have wanted me to do videos walking in the rain, and so here I am doing 2 more. And I think I want to turn at this street right here. Yes, this is where I want to turn. Okay, we turned here, we turned to the left off of Zaragoza, and now we're walking down this street. And I'll stay over on this side where there's no cars parked, because there's only cars parked on one side of this street. It's a one-way street this way. And I'm only a couple of blocks from where I want to be, I think. I'm going to cut this video off at about 10 minutes and end this walking in the rain today. And I want to thank you for watching my YouTube videos. And I try to do different things. This is a different look on these streets. Today I've done many videos on Zaragoza. And, but I don't think I've ever done one walking in the rain. And I wished up here I could see the name. Oh, I can see the name of the street. Okay, I'll show you the name of the street that crosses right here. Five Di Martolo. Okay, and I'm going down here to a restaurant. Somewhere's right here. I think it's right here on the left-hand side. I think this is it. It's not open yet, so I don't exactly know what I'm going to do. But this is it. It's a hamburger place. That's where we're having lunch at 12:30. Now, they usually don't open till 2, but we got a group coming here, and they're going to open at 12:30. Okay, thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos. And this is the place. And I'll show you the menu on the end of this. And then I'm going to end this video right here. Here's the menu. If you want to come here, 5 Di Matero. Teo. Nice little restaurant. I think there's about 10 or 12 of us coming. Somebody canceled this one. They have barbecue here also. 213. And that's the plaza down, the Melicone down there at the lake. Okay, thank you very much for looking at my YouTube videos. And I'm going to walk back up here and get under the roof till somebody comes here and sees what time it is. There's a roof up here where these people are walking. And this is the street we just walked across to here on. Right there. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube videos. I'm going to cut this off right here. Beautiful house in there. I'm going to set my umbrella down, show the sky and all the wires, and that beautiful place in there behind the wall. Okay, thank you.